zip cut it again. We'll only weld it if it comes together flush. If it doesn't come together flush, we won't weld it. Be nice to. I'm gonna beat on just a little bit more. Now that that's holding that, now I can probably I'm going to run the zip cut through it because it's overlapped just a little tiny bit. And me opening that up is allowing for penetration, you know, if you know what I'm saying. I'm going to push it in with my hammer third arm. Just going to knock this in a little bit. Just a little bit. Alrighty, we basically got it in there now. It's all about welded in, so there's no overlap going on. And the only reason we don't want overlap is because when it comes time to fill it out, if it's overlap, well then you have to, the fill has to go the distance of the metal and the weld to cover it. It's just like doing the drywall on your house. Just like doing the drywall, you do not want to see anything. We got a little bit coming out here at top, so I'm just going to touch it with the hammer. We don't want to distort anything. We just want to fix it. So I'm going to go up here and tack it. Just checking it out, see what we got. Everything's going great. Alrighty, what I'm saying is the piece is in. What has to happen, or what I think should happen, doesn't matter, I guess. Shut that off. How do I shut that off? Don't know how to shut that off. So basically we got the piece in, we're not overlapped anywhere, so we got a nice strong piece of metal in there.